In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize widget layouts like grid or slider in Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox account and open the widget you want to customize from your dashboard. Next, go to the Customize and Publish section. This is where you can control the design and layout of your widget. Now, click on the Themes section. Here, you'll see different layout options such as grid, slider, carousel, and other display styles. Select the grid layout if you want posts to appear in a clean, structured format. Or choose slider if you want users to swipe through posts one by one. After selecting your preferred layout, preview how it looks with your content to make sure it fits your website design. You can also adjust settings like spacing, columns, navigation arrows, and autoplay, depending on the layout you choose. Once you're satisfied with the design, save and publish your widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.